In this video, we'll look at two ways to create a drop-down list. Like I have my to-do list here, so then I've got a drop-down list in the priority column. So when I click on that, then I have three different possibilities that I can do. I'll pick low, and it limits me to those three different possibilities. Let's get started. A drop-down list uses Excel's data validation functionality. So I'm going to pick the cell that I want, then I'm going to come up to Data, and then Data Validation. So I'll click on that. That'll bring up the Data Validation dialog. And for the validation criteria in Allow, I want to pick List. And in the source, I'm going to type high, low, and complete, separated by commas. And I hit OK. You can see the drop-down arrow is showing up now. And when I click that, now I can pick between high, low, and complete. Another way to do that is by having the validation list somewhere in your spreadsheet. As you can see, I have the same list over here in row F. So to create a drop-down with this list is pretty much the same process. I'll come up to Data, then to Data Validation. Under Allow, I'm going to use List. But in this case, I'm going to click on the arrow, and then I'm going to highlight my list over here. Click on this again. And now it's got my source as the range of my list. I'll click OK. And again, we have the drop-down arrow, and it allows us to pick between high, low, and complete. Since I didn't pick the whole range of my priority column for the data validation, at this point I can right-click on the cell and choose Copy. And then I'm going to choose the rest of the cells in my list and go ahead and paste those in. And now for each one, I have data validation available. And using the keyboard, now I can use the arrow to go between the priority cells, hold down Alt, and then be able to choose with my keyboard instead of having to use the mouse. To be notified of future Excel-centric videos, click on the subscribe button and ring that bell. Thanks, and we will see you in the next one.